well. Okay, today we are going to do a nice small science experiment, and it's easy peasy. But the aim for this is for you to do it by yourself because it's not hard. Mummies and daddies could guide you, or you can watch my video so you can see what I'm doing. So yeah, is to do it by yourself and to see what happens when the colours blend in with each other. Like, you know, what you can see, like maybe a rainbow, maybe two colours are mixing in. What does that colour change into? If you put the blue and the yellow together, it will make colour green. If you put like, let's say, red and blue together, it will make colour purple. So let's see, let's try it out and let's see what happens, yeah? So for this experiment, all you will need is some warm water. Make sure you're using warm, not hot, just warm. It could be out the tap, or it could be like a little bit from the kettle and mixed in with the tap water if it's not warm enough. So get mummies and daddies to help you with this one. A white plate, so it's always best to have a white one so you can see what's happening when the colours are mixing, and some Skittles. Okay, so I'm going to open this packet up. I just realised this is a different colour packet. It's a yellow packet, and you only get certain coloured Skittles inside. There is also another one, the red one, and that has quite a few colours in. So I'm just going to work with what I have here, okay? So I'm going to place the Skittles around the plate just like this. Okay, so once you place the Skittles just like this, now you're going to pour your water slowly in the middle. There you go. So boys and girls, please don't forget to share me your videos and photos. I can't wait to see them, and have fun trying this activity. Nice and easy. But yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Take care. Bye.